Hi there, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. Live Launch is a workshop designed specifically for accounting professionals to ultimately work on their business, giving you a 2-day retreat, giving you a chance to literally step aside from your business and focus on what matters most, the company that you're building and building it correctly, having the clients that you deserve, having the clients that you want to build the ideal business. Now, in this process, we're going to be focusing on 5 areas of your company primarily, and over the course of the 2 days, we're going to be focusing on each of these, but it's all with the purpose and the intent of building a business of value. It's helping you build a company that you can be proud of. So in these 2 days, I just want you to understand, you'll get the tools, the resources, the coaching and support that you need to be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. I invite you to attend and understand what it is you can be doing to be in business so that you can actually offer your clients the quality services that you intended to and ensure that you're going to get paid what you're worth. One of the things that I do want to stress at this 2-day workshop is there's nothing better than escaping from your company, coming here to the retreat, and finding time with peace to actually work on your business deliberately. And that's one of the things that we want to afford you, is the chance to come and actually work with peers, find out what's working in their business, share what's working in yours, and also address the trials and the struggles that you're facing. With this, we believe that you'll be able to leave that meeting, that 2-day experience, with a lot more confidence and a lot more clear understanding of what you need to be doing next on your business. One of the things that we'll be addressing at that workshop is what we refer to as mapping the business. It's part of building your company. And as MAP, what we do is it's an acronym that stands for Marketing, Accounting, and Production. It's what are the things that you need to be doing on that are perhaps the biggest opportunities or the biggest challenges facing your marketing and sales, the services that you're providing, and the production in which you do the work, the efficiency in which you actually take care of your clients. Those things are critical, and we're going to be addressing those at this 2-day workshop, and I invite you to attend. Take a moment, invest in your business, invest in yourself, see what you can do to actually follow this turnkey process so that you're not in business alone. Just understand what you're doing isn't something that you need to invent and have to figure out on your own. There's a turnkey process that you can follow and trust, and in doing so, not have to reinvent the wheel or the process to be successful. So with that in mind, I invite you to make the most of this and join me at the conference. Take care, have a great day, and understand this: if it's about accounting, it is universal. Bye-bye.